Welcome to MTA channel. Reading anyone instantly, unlocking the secrets of body language. In this few-second video, we will share a quick tip to help you gain insight into people's thoughts and emotions through their body language. 1. Have you ever wondered if someone is telling the truth or hiding something from you? Paying attention to their body language can provide valuable clues. Here's a simple technique to read anyone instantly. 2. Eye contact. Pay close attention to their eye contact. When someone maintains steady eye contact, it usually indicates interest and engagement. However, if they avoid eye contact or frequently look away, it may signal discomfort or lack of confidence. 3. Facial expressions. Facial expressions can reveal a wealth of information. Notice subtle changes in their facial muscles, such as raised eyebrows, furrowed forehead, or a genuine smile. These cues can help you gauge their true emotions and intentions. 4. Posture and gestures. Observe their posture and gestures. Open and relaxed body language suggests a sense of comfort and openness, while closed-off or tense postures indicate defensiveness or discomfort. Pay attention to their hand movements, as they can reflect nervousness or confidence. 5. Wrapping up. Remember, reading anyone instantly requires practice and observation. By becoming more attuned to body language cues, you can gain valuable insights into people's thoughts and emotions. 6. Micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are fleeting facial expressions that can reveal someone's true emotions. Watch for subtle movements around the mouth, eyebrows, and eyes that occur in a fraction of a second. These micro-expressions can provide valuable insights into a person's genuine feelings, even if they are trying to conceal them. 7. Body language clusters. Instead of relying on individual gestures, pay attention to clusters of body language cues. When multiple gestures align, they can give you a more accurate understanding of someone's emotions and intentions. Look for consistent signals like crossed arms, fidgeting, or leaning away, which may indicate discomfort or disinterest. 8. Verbal and nonverbal discrepancies. Pay attention to inconsistencies between a person's words and their nonverbal cues. If their words say one thing, but their body language suggests something different, it could be a sign that they are not being entirely truthful or that there is more to the story. Trust your instincts and look for these discrepancies. 9. Context and cultural differences. Remember that reading anyone instantly requires considering the context and taking into account cultural differences. Different cultures have unique gestures, postures, and norms that may influence how people express themselves nonverbally. Be mindful of these cultural variations to avoid misinterpretation. 10. Practice and observation. The key to mastering the skill of reading anyone instantly is practice and observation. Take every opportunity to observe people's body language in different situations, and consciously analyze the patterns and cues. Over time, you will become more adept at deciphering the subtle messages conveyed through nonverbal communication. Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a better observer of human behavior. Remember that reading anyone instantly is a skill that develops over time, so keep practicing and refining your abilities. Thank you for watching, and may your newfound knowledge empower you in understanding others more deeply. Thank you for joining us in this brief exploration of reading people instantly through body language. Now, go forth and sharpen your observation skills to uncover the hidden messages behind every gesture. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.